chaque 10 policiers,
Yeah.
il y a 8 qui sont dans gang, il y a 8 qui sont dans volé.
He said for every 10 police officers, he said there 8 of them are in gangs, 8 of them are criminals and thieves, stealing. You know.
C'est la police participe dans faire kidnapping dans le pays.
He said they participate in kidnapping.
La police dans voler marchandises moun.
They're involved in stealing the merchandise of
La
people.
police dans disparaître moun pour faire trafic organes.
Yeah, they're involved in taking people and trafficking their organs.
La police dans vendre drogue.
They sell drugs.
Sorti sous gros chef yo, arrivé sous chef qui pépitière.
From the biggest chiefs all the way down to the
You know,
La mort sans jour.
La mort sans jour
Yeah.
has $1 million on his head.
Yeah, he said la mort sans jour gon $1 million sous tête li. Right? Vida Lom has 2 million.
You nothing.
You 0.
Ni la mort sans jour, ni vite l'homme. C'est oligarques et politiciens qui ont utilisé.
Yeah, so the oligarchs and the politicians were using those guys to do their work.
And that's what Americans want to know.
Il dit peuple américain envie qu'on baille ça.
If you have more power and legitimate authority, will you hold accountable gangs that have done very bad things?
Yo, il dit peuple